Well. Guys, you can finally stop asking us for Neville. We had to phone him, and he had to call in to prove to you that he's all right, and he's going to join us for Rollout. And for the first time ever, we have some foreign contestants on Rollout. But before we say hi to the foreign contestants, we have to say hi to the real big man himself. Good morning, Jingle Bells!
Wagwan, Sakila Do, Wagwan.
Hey!
Speaking. Not for real?
Yeah, Wagwan. Can you hear me?
You bathe from morning?
No, I want to wake me up. Bathe up.
You're too untruth. You wake from 3 o'clock this morning. You know, even though you're not at work, you get up at your usual time, don't you?
I still get up at the same time,
Of
but
course.
the difference is now I don't come out of the bed. Sometimes I go back to sleep and it's the same side of the Wagwan.
Are you washing your hands?
I am doing what I'm supposed to be doing, yeah.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Who?
Well, me not going away, so me not have to brush it.
Are you bathing? These are important things that people want to know.
If you don't feel like bed, Neville, don't bathe.
No, on a serious
I'm
note.
looking after myself.
Good. That's actually what people want to know because, of course, you haven't been here for the last week and change.
So please let them know that you're okay.
Yes, so how are you doing? And tell the people why you're not here because we don't want people to not see you and wonder if you're okay.
Well, the Prime Minister and the government said that if you are over 75, he said this a couple of weeks ago that he didn't want you to leave home at all. And if you are over 65, and I am, then as best as possible, you should try to work from home. That 14 days ends on Wednesday coming. Now, I haven't dropped below 65, so I don't know what will happen come Wednesday. But that's the reason I'm not there, and the bosses have been thinking about other ways to get me on the program, and this is a way to get me on the program this morning. So I'm fine. I mean, as far as I know, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm not in isolation, I'm not in quarantine, I'm not coughing, I'm not sneezing. Well, I sneeze every now and again.
Well, that's your sinuses, we know that.
I sneeze every now and again, but I'm fine. And I think the reason for this is to protect me, because I am over 65, and I actually thank the bosses for that, but I'm good.
But Nevs, you being over 65 mean say you're not healthy. You're probably healthier than the whole of it. You drink spirulina every day.
Well, I try, but I mean, again, sometimes I do get a little concerned because I'm a family. I think Sim knows one of my daughters. She lives in California, and they're in some trouble. My kids are in lockdown, so I get a little nervous sometimes, but I'm fine. I mean, I'm fine, but you just don't know with this virus, and again, I thank the bosses for trying to protect me.
So what have you been doing for the last week and change?
The only time I leave home is for supermarket, food, and my juice, man. That's the only time
I tell you, I drink it every day, I think I do.
That's the only time I leave home. I mean, I've never had a fitness regime. I do miss the football field, Tim. I miss the football field. Bad.
Yeah.
I've never had a football regime, a fitness regime, but I do have a stationary bicycle that I've always tried to ride at least 10 minutes a day. Sometimes I show off and I go out for 1 hour. And I cannot wait for the 10 minutes come and I get up. But I see the 10 minutes I get up. But I still do that every day. I do a little skipping. But I'm not doing much different. The difference is when you choose to do something, it is different than when you're almost forced
right.
to do
That's
it. Yeah.
really the only
And the
difference.
truth of the matter, Nev, is that as far as your routine goes, it really hasn't changed a lot because you're a host right from day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not doing a lot different.
Okay. All right. So what do you want to tell the viewers before we wrap this up?
I'm going to roll out.
Just be safe. I mean, just be safe. Do what the authorities ask us to do. I heard the officer earlier, and I was very happy when I heard that last night, they never had any reason to lock up anybody or to stop anybody. So just do what we're supposed to do, and let's just all pray that this thing will pass us quickly.
So all being well, we should see you on Wednesday. On Wednesday or Thursday?
I don't know. As I said, I don't know, because I don't know if the government will come out, because I think the company almost they are compelled to kind of adhere to the government's
Abide by the
restrictions. So I really
guidelines,
don't know if they will come up with anything else. I don't know. I'm only saying that the 14 days will be up April 7th.
Okay.
So I really don't know what the bosses will do. Hopefully, I will be.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Well,
he's
thank you
rolling.
for linking in with us.
He's going to help us judge, right?
Well,
Okay,
never
yes,
usually
I
do
forgot that
You
part.
guys are the judges. Me,
Yeah.
I just because.
All
I thought I
right.
was coming on to be one of the singer.
The contestant?
You know,
Lord have
Harold
mercy.
actually just suggested that. So would you like to do that instead? Because, we're flexible.
Yes, man. I have no
All
problem
right, he's
anything
going to
you
be a
guys want me to
competitor
do.
this morning.
All right, you'll be the fourth contestant.
First up, we have his name for, what do you call that performance name? Is Lord God?
One Lord God?
What? Oh, okay. All right.
Yo, TVJ, make them know say we not play. Birmingham, one Lord God, representing. Oi, a long time man see the pray. Some of friend them not happy for me. Bad mind and jealousy, them ugly come around. Fi try trade my energy. But me nah make that happen to me. Me keep God and my Bible well close to me. Mama say no live your life, make people see. On the way how we living, there's no privacy. Hey, cause man a warrior, them me no sorry for. Put them in the chariot, cause them no bother dopey. But my dream me go for that. Say no me not take no chat. Nah, sit up for the ends and smoke and drink and go like idiot. I feel leave a real pop. Hey, that real pop. With the boss I put this on, oh easy that. One time I mean I beat it back. Say no say and a secret that. If you hear my song in a party and it bad, just wheel it back. Long time man.
Captain Corias, straight out of France, TVJ, listen to me now. Guide and protect me, Jaja direct me, watch over me, deliver me. Only God can deliver me. Me feel so good in your arms, in your army. Only God, the Almighty Father, to put my life in order. No time to pretender, to lose, to waste, to spender. Jah, you are my best friend to the ender. The love of your name, I defender. Of the will, I defender. Cause your love transcender. It's a God sender. Only God can deliver me. Me feel so good in your arms, in your arms.
This is Trapper J, the professor, tuning in to Smile Jamaica TVJ, straight out of US of A, Jersey to Jamaica. Jamaica, they might wonder how we do that. Get our youths, we are raised like rooftop. All lead, don't collapse, worry, don't love sweet, no give a drive and chat up. Jamaica, they might wonder how we do that. Work hard and bubble mama super. My friends them know me no too. And when me chat a positive I bring cran that friends. Red eye, them a spy, instigator, them a lie. Them cannot ever stop the ghetto you them. Can it's okay, it's alright. Now me friends, them alright. All room no room only sweet right. I know every screen beat it a laugh. Some of them a mungle a bark, them a vampire bite in a dark. Them nah no heart, them a real live in a shack. Yeah, Jamaica, them a wonder how we do that. Get a youth, we are raised like you.
All right, Nev, who won the rollout?
I like the first guy.
Me too.
So one Lord God from the UK. Captain
but
Corias
I
was the
like
second
him.
contestant. He was from France, and then Strapper J from the USA. Nev, you call it. You alone call it this week. Cause
You are the chief and uncle judge.
yes, correct. So good job.
Next week you can participate if you're not here.
Yeah, we're out of time. Sorry, Nev, but get your piece ready for next time, and we'll be good to go.
Guys, be safe. Everybody be safe. I love everybody.
We
Thanks,
love
Nev.
you.
Later.
See you soon.
All right, guys, we're out of here. She's back tomorrow with X-Stall at 8 o'clock. In the meantime, wash your
my movie
hands.
star?
Keep safe. What?
My movie star. He was a star of my movie, remember?
Oh, yes. Maybe you will bring your gift tomorrow.
Yeah, my Apple Watch.
Take care, everybody. Thank you, Mark.
Be safe.
All right, bye,
Clean off.
everybody. Take care.
Anywhere we go, the girl I love me.